If you want to learn how to create a pattern in Photoshop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple step-by-step process for making your own custom repeating pattern, from creating the tile to applying it in a real design. This is a great skill for backgrounds, textures, branding, packaging, and all kinds of creative projects. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create your pattern tile. The secret to a good pattern is making sure the design is clean, isolated, and able to repeat smoothly without obvious edges or gaps. To begin, go to File, then click New to create a new document. For a simple digital pattern, you can use a small square canvas like 200 by 200 pixels or 500 by 500 pixels. If you're designing for print, you can set the resolution to 300 ppi. For digital work, 72 ppi is usually fine. One of the most important settings here is the background. Set background contents to transparent. This keeps your pattern tile from having a solid colored box around it when you use it later. Once your document is open, you can draw, paste, or type your design right in the center of the square. Make sure your artwork is positioned neatly because whatever is inside this square will become the repeating element of your pattern. After your design is ready, the next step is to define the pattern. This is what saves it into Photoshop's pattern library so you can use it anytime. Go to the top menu and click Edit, then choose Define Pattern. A small dialog box will appear, asking you to name your pattern. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. Something like Polka Dot 01, Brand Icon, or Abstract Tile works well. Once you click OK, Photoshop instantly saves that square as a reusable pattern asset. At this point, your pattern tile is complete, and you can close the document if you no longer need it open. Now, it's time to apply the pattern to an actual design. Open your main project or create a new, larger canvas if you want to test your pattern. To apply it, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the New Adjustment layer icon, which looks like a circle that is half black and half white. From the menu that appears, choose Pattern. This will create a pattern fill layer, and Photoshop will automatically fill the canvas with your saved pattern. If the pattern does not look perfect right away, don't worry. Photoshop gives you easy controls to adjust it. In the Pattern Fill Properties window, you'll see options for scale and angle. The scale slider lets you make the pattern larger or smaller. If you reduce it to 50% or 25%, the pattern will repeat more tightly. If you increase it, the elements will appear bigger and more spaced out. You can also change the angle if you want a different visual direction. For example, setting the angle to 45 degrees can turn a simple layout into a diagonal or diamond-style pattern. And while the pattern fill window is still open, you can click and drag directly on the canvas to reposition the pattern and line it up exactly how you want. Take your time here and adjust until the pattern feels balanced. Once everything looks good, click OK. Now you've successfully created and applied a custom pattern in Photoshop. This technique is incredibly useful because once you learn it, you can build your own textures, backgrounds, repeating logos, illustration styles, and decorative elements in just a few minutes. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in your workflow. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. That support really helps the channel grow, and it lets me know you want more easy design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.